Right after hatching, tiny turtles crawl toward the ocean. But crabs and birds are already waiting to snatch them. While they shuffle across the sand, many get picked off before they even reach the water. And if they do make it, fish and other predators chase them down while swimming. Only a tiny squad of baby turtles makes it long enough to grow up. Years later, the survivors come back to that same beach to lay their eggs and keep the cycle going. Now the challenge. How many times did I say eggs? Bet you won't guess.